There are two types po na ruggedize namin. We have R10X na pwede po siyang mahugasan. Pwede po siyang mabagsak until waist. Pero yung mas mataas po is R11, which is pwede po siyang ibabad sa tubig ng up to 30 minutes. Then, pwede siyang bumagsak up to hanggang siguro mga yan, ganyan kataas po siya. So, design po talaga siya for travel, adventures, and also for the travels. Next, isa sa pinaka-highlight namin is Vengeance Reignite server. Isa po sa pinaka-main na function nito is to turn your own pieces into productive workstation, eco-friendly, budget-saving, and perfect for student LGU's training centers. So, si Vengeance Reignite server po, originally, we built that for gamers. But, sa market po natin, lahat po usual na sila gaming. So, kinonvert po namin siya as a server. So, hindi lang po siya as a server, is a one-pack solution. Bakit po sinabi ng one-pack solution? Gives you hardware, software, and also solution. So, bakit nasabi namang solution? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng example. You have a low-specs devices. Hindi po siya makapag-run ng high applications. But once you connect to Vengeance Reignite server, maa-adapt niya po yung specs ni Vengeance Reignite server, and you can run ng mga high-load games or even files. Ganun po yung ginagawa niya. And